Bok, y'all. Jimmy Deen here, back in the chicken box. You know what's so funny? Teresa, she's a traveler. She's gonna bring these recipes and these things down here so I can cook for y'all. I'm so busy at the chicken box during the week, y'all. I don't have a chance to get out to moms and film as much as I'd like to. But I'm so happy that Teresa let me know this week she wanted us to talk about a kale apple fall time salad. With Thanksgiving right around the corner, it's nice to have seasonal salads. You can have, I don't ever eat turkey and dressing except in November, but it's nice to have a specific time type salad. This kale with apple is perfect for the fall time. I've actually got several fall salad recipes. You know how I get whenever I start doing this. I've got a roasted acorn squash that is delicious. Maybe we'll do it one day with a warm walnut salad dressing. So many things up here, y'all. But today, let's get to it, okay? Teresa's done all of this. In this bowl, I love to make salads like this. So we're gonna put everything together right in we're building our dressing around our salad. So I've got our apple cider vinegar is gonna go in first. I've got some black pepper, some kosher salt. Take 2 steps this way. It's nice to be in the chicken box. I know where everything is. We've got some honey, and then a ground mustard. So we started with our vinegar. We've got our 4 ingredients in here. I'm going to whisk this together. This is essentially our little salad dressing that we have here. So I have to beat my oil in here. You think I could find a bigger whisk? If I went and looked, I could probably find a bigger one. I'm going to kind of whisk this in a slow, steady stream. All right, that's enough of that. So I've got this whipped up in the bottom of our bowl. Now we're going to add our kale. Now don't be worried about how much dressing is down there, because as much kale as this looks like, that's the perfect amount of dressing. It's going to dress it all the way. Just take your time and toss it through. Now, our recipe here suggests that you let this sit for 15 minutes. Think about everything we have in here. We're going to let the vinegar and the honey and the oil and all of our seasonings sit and rest on these leaves, and it's going to soak it all up. We want to really make sure that we toss this well. So you've seen me get down in the chicken box, and you know how my mom is. You know how busy Teresa is. Do y'all think that we're going to let this sit here for 15 minutes? This is the time-lapse trick. That is really pretty. Okay, so now that it's been sitting there for 15 minutes, we're going to dress it with our apples. Teresa did a smart thing. She cut these really thin and let them soak in lemon juice. Now that'll keep them from turning brown on you. I bet she cut these a couple of hours ago and they're still nice and white.
I did, like around 11 o'clock.
Yeah, they sell products that you can buy and use for that, but if you've got a lemon at the house, a lemon does exactly the same thing. Beautiful apples. We've got our pecans. Now you say a fall salad. Well, take a look at this. It looks like fall. Beautiful salad. Raisins. Maybe about a cup here. And we've got our Parmesan cheese that we're going to put across the top. And I'll add some more as I toss this in. I'm going to show you a trick with our carrots. So you've got carrots at the house. Just get your peeler and you get one long run and you drop it into an ice bath, and then after it sits there for a while, they curl up. So it takes a little bit of time, so keep an ice bath around and you can get these curly little spins on your carrots, which is so pretty and gives them some character and a little bit of texture. Hey, so how are you, honey? Good. Making a video for everybody. Would you like some salad?
Always.
Yeah, it's a beautiful, it's a fall kale salad, honey. This is delicious.
Are those cranberries?
They are. Craisins, apples, pecans, carrots, kale, and with a beautiful little dressing that we made right inside. So I guess since Sahi's here, it's time to eat. So thank you folks for tuning in today. I hope that you come down. I made chili last night. We had a We're doing giant baked potato stuff with chili down here. It's so good. Fall weather is one of my favorite times to eat. Pretty much any time is my favorite time to eat. I'm Jamie Deen, y'all. This is the Chicken Box. That's good food. See you next time.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.